So what is going on? Welcome to part 3 of our week-long trip back to Sawmill Station in Clayton, Idaho. Today is a semi-casual day. We got Josh leading just because he knows this area really well. He doesn't even need a map. Mike's running tail gun this trip. And this is actually a ride that we did 2 years ago when we did the Maverick Trail meetup here. This was, I think, our day 1 ride that we did. And it's beautiful. It's simple, but it's beautiful. And it's about 70 miles. But we're really going to take it easy today, and we're going to be doing some touristy stuff today. There's several stops along the way, some really cool things to see. Yeah, and the best part of this ride is there's a really amazing 50-inch trail at the top that we bring back down south towards camp. And it just, yeah, it's a good ride. It's a good day. It's a scenic day. Yes, there's a lot of pavement. No, I shouldn't say a lot of pavement. I don't know, 10, 15 miles pavement, and a lot of big gravel road going up Yankee Fork, and then that continues over the Custer Motorway over the top. And a lot of roads, about majority of the mileage is a road, but time-wise, the 50-inch trails, that's about halfway back. So anyway, casual day, cool day, take our time. Yeah, we've seen it all before, but we're gonna go see it again. That's how we roll.
I think the cemetery's somewhere over there, if you want to stop at it.
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah. Yes, let's go to the cemetery.
Okay.
Okay.
Right as you started talking, Mike started talking.
Oh, okay.
We're going to the cemetery.
You go first. Flip it your way.
Yeah, we remember stopping at that cemetery the first time we came up, and just how neat, how old it was. A lot of unknown people buried in there. A lot of the headstones are just marked unknown, but it's really pretty. But a short step up the road a little bit further is the dredge. Now, I don't know if you've noticed, but up and down both sides of the road is these just long piles of rocks. Well, that's all left behind from this dredge. This is one of the few dredges, I think he said maybe one of 2, that you can actually go inside and look around. And the last time we came, we were too early. The dredge hadn't opened yet, so we didn't get to do the tour. So we made a point to make sure that we got a chance to do it this time. This thing is really cool. I had no idea. I had no idea what it was. I didn't know how it worked. I didn't even know it was a boat. I didn't even know it floated. I mean, this was all new to me. I knew it was this cool something or another, but I didn't really know exactly what it was. But you pay a couple of bucks for a donation, and all of these volunteers that work up here and give you tours are really knowledgeable, and this thing is amazing. I mean, there's enough footage here and pictures probably could do a video all on its own. But just walking through this, I mean, we don't give the old timers enough credit. They were pretty smart people putting this together. This whole thing's run on electricity that's powered by 2 massive diesel powered generators down in the bottom. I mean, this thing's incredible. This thing is really incredible. Now just a few more miles up the road is Custer City. Now reading from Wikipedia, it says Custer is a ghost town in Custer County, Idaho, established in 1877 at an elevation of 6,470 feet. It lies along Yankee Fork Road southwest of the city of Challis, within the Challis National Forest. In 1981, the community was listed on the National Register of Historic Places as a historic district. Although the district covers 29 acres, only 7 buildings retain enough historic integrity to qualify as contributing properties. Most of Custer is now included in the land of the Yankee Fork State Park, which also includes that nearby historic Yankee Fork gold dredge. Really cool little old town. And that's about it for the touristy stuff. We need to go riding, and so we are heading up Yankee Fork, and we'll catch a little bit of the Custer Motorway, stop and have some lunch, and then we are going to hit that 50-inch trail and head back down. So, yeah, enough of the touristy stuff. Let's get some riding in. that is such a great 50-inch trail. Just really diverse, tight woods, super tight woods, and then out in these beautiful meadows, clearings with the flower. I mean, oh my gosh, great trail. And the good news is we're going to see this trail again in a couple of days. We come back up on one of our next rides. But, you know, this is not my favorite 50-inch trail here. There is another that I like even better than this one, and you will see that very soon. Yeah, we just regrouped here at this 50-inch gate, and now we're just going to make the trek back towards Sawmill Station. The road just kind of gradually gets wider and wider and wider and opens up as we go to where we end up on just a great big ass gravel road, and head back to the highway and take a right, and just maybe a mile is Sawmill Station. And yeah, what a great day. Like I say, we have done this ride day one a couple of years ago when we had the Maverick Trail meet here, and it was great then. It made a really good loop. It was really diverse, you know, nice big roads so you can just cruise on, and then a really cool 50-inch trail to top things off. And really enjoyed it, and just thought it'd be fun to do it again. Thanks, Josh, for leading the ride today. Thanks, Mike, for being the tail gunner today, keeping the group in order. Everybody, it was just this day just went really smooth. Good group of people, and man, beautiful, beautiful. But we are not done. There is more coming. Plenty more to see. But I told you this place was beautiful, right? I mean, holy cow. But yeah, we will see you guys in the next video, and we will see you on the trail.